Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I usually do not talk a lot about skincare products on my channel, but today there is something that I really wanted to share with you guys. There is a combo of products that I have been using for the past few months and I have loved it so much that I've already bought it a couple of times and I have already gifted that to my mother to use it. So in today's video I would be talking about Mamaearth's face wash and scrub from their Upton range. Now Mamaearth is like a very famous brand, I would say, and it is an Indian brand which has been in the market for a few years now. I have tried a lot of products from them, and I on the major side I usually do like their products, but this is a combo that I have been using non-stop for a long time now. In today's video I would be talking about what is so special about this particular combo and how has it worked for my skin and what all ingredients do these products have and how do these ingredients help our skin to get the desired result. Now before talking about the actual product, let's talk a little bit about the brand first. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and there are a lot of things that are good about this particular brand. The first thing that attracts me is the fact that the brand do not test on animals and the products are completely paraben and SLS free. Also, these particular products that I would be showing in this video are plastic positive. Now what does plastic positive mean? Plastic positive basically means that the bottles you are seeing right now are completely recyclable and they would not pollute the environment. Now before actually starting the video, I would first like to say that these products were not sent to me by the brand. I have bought them with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Whenever the brand will send me a product or it would be a sponsored video, I would be sharing that particular information with you guys. But in this case, it is not a sponsored video. I bought these products with my own money and I genuinely like these products. So now before getting into the ingredients and how it is good for us, let's talk about the packaging first. This is how the packaging of face wash looks like. It is very pretty looking, I would say. I love the combination of green and yellow that it has on the package. Mostly all of the Mamaearth products are packaged in a very similar color tone, I would say. Now because this is the Upton face wash from Mamaearth, it contains turmeric and saffron, which is mentioned right here, and it is mainly used for tan removal, which is again mentioned right here. These Mamaearth products are paraben and SLS free. They are dermatologically tested and they suit all skin types, all of which is actually mentioned here. And now coming to the details that are mentioned on the back, the list of key ingredients as well as the direction to use the product are mentioned on the back of the pack. I would be talking about a few ingredients that are present right here and how are they useful for our skin in the upcoming part of my video. So yes, that is how the outer packaging of this face wash looks like. The packaging of the face scrub is actually very similar to that, and both of these face wash and face scrubs open like this. I have not actually removed the plastic shield on it and I usually open it like this and use it because I am a little lazy, I would say. But this is how you open these and these are very easy and very safe to travel with. I'll just quickly show you the texture of both the face wash as well as the face scrub. This is how the face wash looks like. It is a little grainy and it contains little grains of walnut. The grains are not very harsh. I'll just try and give you a close-up shot of the beads. So yes, this is how grainy this particular face wash is. Now if I talk about the face scrub, it is again grainy, but the grains are slightly bigger than what you can see in the face wash. I'll just take out a little bit on the back of my hand, and this contains, I guess, a little more turmeric, I would say, because the color is a little more on the yellow side. This is how the texture of the face scrub feels like. Now we'll talk about each of these products one at a time. I'll first talk about the face wash, which I use on daily basis, usually twice a day. I sometimes do not use this particular one in the morning because I do have other face washes that I try for the purpose of my blog and the videos, but this is something that I usually use towards the end of the day. Now this particular Upton face wash basically have turmeric and saffron as its main ingredients. antioxidants, and it is used for tan removal. Now coming to the main two ingredients which are mentioned first. So firstly, talking about turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components which provides glow and luster to the skin, and it helps the skin to recover so that it glows from within. Now haldi or turmeric have been used in Indian skincare, like Ayurvedic skincare, since a very long time. Turmeric is one of the main ingredients that makes this product a little more special. Now talking about the saffron. Saffron basically helps to reduce hyperpigmentation. Now when we talk about tan removal, you not only just want a clear face or remove tan from your skin, you obviously would like to have a very clear skin, and the saffron in this particular product helps to clear the hyperpigmentation that might be present on the skin. Now that being said about the main two ingredients, let's talk about the other ingredients which are mentioned on the back of the packaging. I'll just start from the beginning and talk about the ingredients that I know about. Now the first ingredient I can spot is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps you to hydrate and soothe the skin, and it also helps to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, which is obviously a plus. And this particular face wash also contains walnut beads, which I showed you while showing the texture of this particular product. Texture of this product is a little grainy, and that is mainly because of the walnut beads. Now walnut beads in excess is not supposedly a good thing for your skin, as it might cause micro tears to your skin, but the walnut beads in this particular face wash are present in a very minute quantity and they are not at all harsh for your skin. So these walnut beads in this particular face wash actually helps to clear out any tan that is stuck on the skin. Now apart from this coconut oil and walnut bead, this particular product also contains licorice extract. Now licorice extract basically helps you to brighten your skin and hide sun damage, and also helps in fading the dark spots which might be present on the skin. Now this was all about the ingredients present in the face wash. If we talk about the face scrub, majority of the ingredients do seem same except for stearic acid and beeswax. Now coming to beeswax, beeswax is basically used to keep the skin hydrated, and that is the reason that when you use this particular scrub, your skin would not feel dry even after using it, even after scrubbing your face. You would not feel dry. Another ingredient that is a part of the face scrub is stearic acid. Now stearic acid is not a bad ingredient, I would say, but for sensitive skin it might be a little irritating, but thankfully this particular product has not irritated my skin. Now this was all the chemically and the ingredient part of the product, but if you ask me that does this product actually work, then I would say yes, this product actually works the way it is mentioned. Personally, I do not get tanned a lot, but whenever I go out in the sun for 2 consecutive days, I do feel a difference in the color of my skin. That is mainly due to suntan. Even if I do not see the tan on my face, but I know that if I'm going out in the sun, the UV radiations and the other harmful radiations are acting on my skin. I always have a sunscreen on, but even if I have a sunscreen, my skin do need a little extra pampering, and that is when this particular face wash comes into play. I would lie if I would say that I cannot instantly see the result with this face wash, or it takes a week to show results. Personally, on me, I can see the result with the very first wash using this particular face wash. The result might be different for you, like you might need 2 or 3 days to see the result. It all depends on the tan you're getting or the skin damage you already have, but for me this particular product works in just one single wash, and because I use this daily, I do not actually feel a lot of damage happening to my skin. This was the first video where I actually talked about anything skincare. It is not exactly skincare because it was just like a face wash and a face scrub and not a exact skincare product. But if you would like to see reviews of any skincare that I try or any particular skincare that you would like to buy, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to share my experience in the skincare section as well, so which might help you in the buying process. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more such videos on my channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.